In this lecture, you will create your very first reusable React component called hello. This component should display a message hello to the end user. To create this simple component, let's first organize our scripts. Go to the React scripts folder. Let's create subfolders here called components. This is where we'll put all the component related scripts. Let's put this first reaction into a folder called basics. Drag and drop it into basics. Go back to your text editor, create a new file, but this time it's going to be a lot easier. Go back to the first reaction.html, grab its contents, Control A, Control C, come back, paste the contents, clear the script blocks here, get rid of the style all the way up to the script block, save it as hello component.html. Hello component.html, that should go under components. Save it. To create a React component within the script block, inside the header, we can add a script block. Or you can also directly do it in the script block here. So let's do it in the script block in the body. Right here above React DOM.render. Class hello is the component name. Extends React.component. We are using the ES6 standard way of creating classes. So class is the keyword, hello is the name of the component or the class, extends React component. We are extending a class called React component here, within which we need to override a method called render. So render is a method that is available on this React.component class. We'll override it and provide whatever we want to render. So this method should return a JSX which we want to render onto the console or onto the browser. Within bold tags, I want a message called hello/b. You need not wrap this JSX inside double quotes. That's the cool thing about it. So we'll use this React component in the next lecture. So far, you have created a HTML page and you have created a component called hello by creating a class. That class extends React component. Within that class, you will have to override a method called render, within which you return the JSX that should be included in the DOM. You will learn how to use this component in the next lecture.